Hello, my name is Alex from Oracle CG Studio. Today I'm going to show you my add-on that helps to after sort collections and reveal objects in your collection. So yeah, let's go. First of all, you need to enable this add-on here and have both options enabled. Let's try to work just with one at this moment. So what it makes, we have a lot of collections. If we change title, it make after sorting for this collection. For example, here you can see it change order. It also make after sort for objects inside the scene. So if it will be number 9, you will see jump in order here. So this makes your outliner clean, and it really helps to work fast. Second option, it helps you to find your object in outliner. Sometimes you have million objects in your scene and it's really difficult to find, really hard to find in what collection is this object. You can't understand this because you have a lot of collections. So this add-on helps to do this really fast. Just enable this option, and now when you pick object, it opens collection for this object. You can see it's really easy to find an object right now. You know what collection it exists. That's it. Thank you for watching and take care.